how can people get in touch if they want to learn more about it and extend the learning from what they've just heard from you ladies?
Yeah, look, I guess the Food Industry Association here is to really assist the industry, and part of it is really spreading the information and the knowledge. So if any of the students or teachers have any questions, please contact us at the bottom of the video or a podcast, and we can always, if we can't answer the question as the Food Industry Association, I can always pass it on to our members and or to the ladies or anyone that's got a little bit more insight than us.
Perfect.
The High School Teachers Association of Food Science or Home Economics or whatever they call them now are they've reached out to us, and they are coming to have a walkthrough the factory in September when they have their annual conference in Brisbane. And I'd encourage any home economics food science teachers who are involved in that to engage in that, because this is the opportunity to talk to the industry and really get some first-hand knowledge that they can bring back to their students.
Yeah.